What is clutter? Clutter is anything that doesn't help you accomplish your work or enjoy your life. I was at a party recently and someone introduced me as the paper tiger lady, and the person to whom I was introduced said, "Oh, I have that book, but you'd just die if you saw my desk." Well, I can't tell you how many times people say that, and it always makes me feel sad because it's not my desk, it's yours. And I've often said I'm not in the business of convincing anybody to get organized. I'm just looking for people who say, "Where have you been all my life?" As we wrap up a year, often it's like, okay, I'll do that next year. But my first mother-in-law, who was a polio survivor and a mother of 6 children, had a saying that I just loved, which was finish in style. So I would like to encourage you to think about that as you think about how you could wrap up this year in style by doing something about the clutter that was in your desk, in your office, or in your life. Often people procrastinate about doing anything, even though there are some things they do very, very easily, but they agonize over what they don't know how to do and then don't do any of it at all. So I encourage you to look around your environment. You know, our company's called Productive Environment, and we define that as an intentional setting in which you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life. Look around your environment. And in fact, one very wonderful technique is to take a picture of your environment and then look at the picture, because it's interesting how you see something different in the picture that you never saw when you looked at it in real. And just look at that space as though it were someone else's. And what would you think of if you saw it? And then go back and look and see, what are the things here that I can easily get rid of? What is clutter? Clutter is anything that doesn't help you accomplish your work or enjoy your life. So if you're struggling with clutter, I encourage you to finish the year in style by spending some time each day or block out some time to go in and get rid of the things you can easily get rid of. You'll feel so much better, and it will encourage you and encourage others as well.